Hi, I'm BBQ Bob with the BBQ Guru. Today I'm bringing my kids to the grill. We're gonna make some fun recipes. I really enjoy teaching my kids to cook. I think it makes some unforgettable memories. So check out what we're cooking. Okay, Mitch and I are gonna cook some wings today. We're gonna grill them up, and then at the end, we're gonna make a nice sweet and spicy sauce. Let's get started. We're gonna get a nice amount of seasoning, nice even coat on both sides of the wings. When we grill it up, we'll get a nice caramelization. So we have Mitch's dry rub wings on the grill. And now, while they're cooking, they'll take about an hour. We're gonna bring Maddie in. I'm really excited about this.
So we have a brisket flatbread. We're gonna be cooking it with some goat cheese, some mozzarella, some baby spinach. And for some people, if you like caramelized shallots, you can put them on too.
That's why I made them, because I love them. What's this?
Oh, this is some creamy horseradish aioli. You're gonna put that on top as well.
Exciting.
Yeah, the horseradish adds a good spicy flavor.
Awesome. You got this, girl.
Oh, they look amazing.
Right?
This is your caramelized onion one.
Yeah.
I think they look good.
Yeah?
The brisket adds good color to it. Mmm.
Wow. So, it's time to get your brother. We need to flip those wings.
All right, let's do it.
All right. All right, so we have Mitch's wings grilling on the monolith. We just flipped them, and now we're gonna make his sauce. We'll dump some in. You did a good job, bud.
Thanks.
We gonna try them?
Yeah.
I can't wait to try them. You think they're gonna be spicy?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Really tender, and then that sweet and spicy sauce. I could eat these all day long. You did an awesome job. Good job.
Thanks.
So these are some great, fun, easy recipes that dads and kids can do on the grill. If you have a dad in your life that loves barbecue, go to bbqguru.com for some great gift ideas.